The Volcanoes National Park has won international praise for its conservation efforts of the mountain gorilla. The jobs that are provided through tourism with commitment from the communities create symbiosis to conserve and protect the habitat.
Very few people get the opportunity to spend time and trek with the mountain gorillas. They are critically endangered, and there are only around 1,063 of them left in their natural habitat. We are in Rwanda, which is one of only 3 countries where you get to see them in this incredible environment. Some people have described this experience as life-changing. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm very well, thank you.
You're most welcome in Volcanoes National Park. My name is Emmanuel, one of the guides of Volcanoes National Park.
I'm so excited. You're going to find me some gorillas, right?
Yes, of course.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do it.
We're about to head in and see them. We have to wear masks because their DNA is 98% of ours, and they are very susceptible to respiratory diseases. Here we go. Hanging out.